Breathing is one of the most overlooked tools for recovery, yet it has the power to transform how your body heals. The way you breathe directly affects your nervous system, circulation, and even how efficiently your body repairs itself. When you understand the connection between breathing and recovery, you can use it to speed healing, reduce stress, and restore balance. When you get injured or experience pain, your body naturally enters a state of tension. Your breathing becomes shallow, your heart rate rises, and your body shifts into fight or flight mode. While this response is useful for protection, staying in it too long can slow recovery. That's where mindful, controlled breathing comes in. It activates your body's rest and repair system, also known as the parasympathetic nervous system. Deep, diaphragmatic breathing, where you breathe deeply into your belly rather than your chest, is especially powerful. This type of breathing increases oxygen flow, helps muscles relax, and improves circulation to healing tissues. The more oxygen your cells receive, the faster they can rebuild and repair. Try this simple technique. Inhale slowly through your nose for 4 seconds, letting your belly expand. Hold for a moment, then exhale gently through your mouth for 6 seconds. Repeat this rhythm for a few minutes. This slow breathing pattern calms your mind, lowers stress hormones, and signals to your body that it's safe to heal. Breathing also plays a key role in movement and mobility. Coordinating breath with motion helps improve body awareness and reduces tension in tight or injured areas. For example, exhaling during a stretch can help muscles relax and extend more easily. Another benefit of proper breathing is better posture and core stability. Your diaphragm, the main breathing muscle, works together with your core muscles to support your spine and movement. When your breathing is shallow or restricted, your posture suffers, and recovery can take longer. Breathing practices like box breathing, alternate nostril breathing, or guided breath work can all enhance recovery by calming your nervous system and improving focus. Many athletes and rehabilitation specialists now include breath training as part of recovery routines for exactly this reason. Even a few minutes of mindful breathing each day can reduce pain perception, improve sleep, and accelerate your body's ability to restore balance after stress or injury. In short, recovery isn't only about movement, nutrition, or rest, it's about the rhythm of your breath. When you breathe deeply and intentionally, you give your body permission to heal. So slow down, inhale, exhale, and let every breath move you closer to recovery.